Manifest the glow, let the spirit take flight. Natural hair shining in the morning light. Wigs for the mood, skincare for the peace. Watch the confidence grow, watch the beauty increase. Beyond the surface, deep within the heart, this is where it all starts. Right here at Pandi's Beauty and Beyond. Skin like honey, hair like a queen. The most positive space that you've ever seen. Affirm your worth, let your light go on. Join our family, leave the stress behind. Affirmations daily, beauty in every way. Welcome to this brand new season, a brand new day at Pandi's Beauty and Beyond.
Debt does not make you irresponsible. Debt does not make you a failure. And debt, no matter how much you are carrying right now, does not have to be your forever. Today, we fix this. Hey, what's good, Pandi's peeps? Welcome back to the Wealthy and Wise series. I'm your girl, Pandi, and today we are having a real conversation about something that so many of us are carrying around silently: debt. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already Chat fam, welcome back. And if you are catching this video during the live watch party premiere, shout out to you and friends with super channels. Y'all, the shame around debt is real, and I'm here to tell you, we're not doing shame on this channel. We're doing strategy. Because the difference between people who get out of debt and people who don't is not willpower. It's a plan. And today, I'm giving you one. So here's where we start. Before you can pay off debt, you need to see your debt. All of it in one place. I know some of y'all are cringing right now. I see you. Trust, believe me, I've been you. There's something about writing it all down that feels heavy, but I promise, once you see the full picture, it actually feels better. Because you went from avoiding a monster in the dark to turning the lights on, and it is always smaller than the fear. So your first step before anything else is to make your debt list. Every account, the creditor name, the current balance, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment. Write it all down. That list is the beginning of your financial freedom. Now here's where most people go wrong. They pick a payoff strategy based on what sounds logical on paper. But logic is not what keeps you going when life gets hard. Motivation does. And today, I'm going to show you how to pick the method that actually works for your brain. Method number 1. It's called the debt snowball, made popular by Dave Ramsey, and it works like this. You list your debts from smallest balance to the largest, regardless of interest rate. You make minimum payments on everything, and then you throw every extra dollar you have at the smallest balance first. When that one is paid off, and it happens faster than you think, you take that payment and roll it up into the next debt. Your payment gets bigger and bigger as you go up, just like a snowball rolling downhill. Now here is why this method works, y'all. Especially for those of us who are motivated by quick wins. When you pay off that first small debt, you get a rush, a real genuine sense of accomplishment. Your brain gets a reward signal, and that reward is what keeps you going when the journey gets long. If you have multiple small balances, store cards, medical bills over $500, small personal loans, the snowball method is your method, chat fam. Start small, win early, and keep going. But what if you're the kind of person who thinks in numbers, who needs the math to make sense? Then the next method might be calling your name. Method number 2 is the debt avalanche. With the avalanche, you still make minimum payments on everything, But instead of targeting the smallest balance, you target the debt with the highest interest rate first. Mathematically, this is the more efficient method. You will pay less money in interest over time because you are eliminating the most expensive debt first. The challenge: it can take longer to see that first payoff, especially if your highest interest debt also has a large balance. And for some people, that long runway without a win is where the motivation starts to fade. So here's my honest recommendation, chat fam. If you have a strong why, a solid budget, and you can stay disciplined without needing quick wins, go avalanche. If you need to feel momentum early and often, go snowball. There is no wrong answer. The right method is the one that you can actually stick to. Now I have to talk about this because it's real. What happens when an unexpected expense shows up in the middle of your payoff plan? Say your car needs a repair, a bill comes in higher than expected, or your kid needs something. Life be lifing, y'all. Well, here's what you do, and this is important. You do not abandon your plan. You pause one extra payment, handle the emergency, and then get right back on your plan the very next month. This is why we talk about emergency funds in the Wealthy and Wise community. Even $500 to $1,000 sitting in a separate savings account acts as a buffer. It's the difference between a setback and a full restart. If you do not have an emergency fund yet, that is your first priority. Before you go aggressive on debt payoff, build that $500 cushion first. It'll protect your plan. All right, chat fam, your Wealthy and Wise action steps for this week. Step 1, make your debt list today. Every balance, every rate, every minimum payment, put it all on paper. Step 2, choose your method, snowball or avalanche, based on how your brain is wired. Not what sounds right, but what keeps you going. And step 3, identify your smallest extra amount that you can throw at debt. Number 1 this month. Even $20, even $10. Start the momentum. And grab my free debt payoff tracker in the description. It is already formatted for both methods. All you have to do is fill it in. Drop a comment below. Which method are you using? Or which one are you starting this week? Snowball or avalanche? Let me know because I love celebrating these money moves with y'all. Y'all, if you didn't remember on your way coming in to blow dry on that like button, like the video, share it, subscribe, double tap on that Wealthy and Wise playlist, and I'll see you in the next episode. We're building something real over here, chat fam. Until the next time, take care of your peace, take care of your coins, and speak it into existence. You are getting out of debt. I'm Pandi, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Manifest the glow, let the spirit take flight. Natural hair shining in the morning light. Wigs for the mood, skincare for the peace. Watch the confidence grow, watch the beauty increase. Beyond the surface, deep within the heart, this is where it all starts. Right here at Pandi's Beauty and Beyond.